As an investor, you have the choice to build your own investment portfolio, selecting mutual funds that invest in cash, bonds, and stocks. Or inside a 401k plan, you could also choose to have a professional make those determinations for you. And you do that through a target date fund. So what is a target date fund? A target date fund is a fund that invests on your behalf, managed by professionals, to select a mixture of cash, bonds, and stocks that's appropriate for someone your age who will be retiring around the year that you plan to retire. For each target date fund, there's a team of professional money managers who select an appropriate allocation of cash, bonds, and stocks. The heavier the stock exposure, the more aggressive the target date fund, or the more risky. The lower the stock exposure in that account, the less aggressive or less risky that investment is. If the target date fund has a lot of stock exposure, then it's going to be a more aggressive target date fund geared towards a younger investor. An older investor who's nearer to retirement would have a lower exposure to stocks in his portfolio. Once you're invested in a target date fund, as you get older and get closer and closer to your target retirement year, the professional management team will gradually shift your investment more conservative. How do you know which target date fund to choose? It really has to do with what year you expect to retire. You should pick the target date fund that fits you and your retirement date best. Now, it's important to remember that unless your circumstances have changed, it's important to let the target date fund you selected based on the year you expect to retire to continue without interruption as you approach that year.
Thanks for checking out our video. We hope this information was helpful for you. If you'd like to learn more about your 401k or investing in general, you can click here. And if you'd like to learn more about us, you can click here.